Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to reverse the optional door swing on a GE front load dryer, specifically the GFD85 series, which comes in both electric and gas. So this video will apply to either one. Let's get to it.
Whoa, white glove service, no scratches on the surface. New fireplace been burning. We got what you've been searching for. No need to worry. Once you go tap, there's no returning. It's your hookup for appliances. The appliance plug, the plug, the plug. The appliance plug, the plug.
All right, so in order to complete your door swing reversal, you're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a Phillips bit, and a T25 bit. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and pop the door latch off using the T25 bit. That's that. Perfect. Set that aside. Then you're going to need your 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the door hinge. So that's going to be right over here. Pop that off. You want to support the door a little while you're taking this off. Just like that. And then this will lift right out and pull out. You can see that there's a couple of grooves on this, so it actually sets into place. So you just lift up, pull out, and that pulls it out. Your next step is going to be to locate the 14 screws that you see right around here. And let me just make sure I don't have lots of my screws. And get those removed. That's gonna need that's where you need your Phillips bit for this part. So pop those off. I'm actually gonna use the drill. Once you have the 14 screws removed, this will lift out. So you're going to want to remove that out of the way, just like that. You can set that aside for right now. And what you simply need to do is reverse these. You're going to remove, rotate, and replace these with the other side. So just like this, rotates, goes there, and then same thing with this one, but make sure that if this latch comes out, you pop it back into place. So you're gonna just take it and just like that, and it will go into place here. So as I said, if this comes out, just make sure you put it back into place. Make sure that's in there. Yeah, that's like it just pushes in there, and do the same thing on this side. Just like that. Once that's done, now you're gonna put this back on. Same way we took it off. Just line up your holes and reinstall the 14 screws that are securing it. Just make sure you don't grab the little gasket on this so you don't damage that. Just move it out of the way because some of these screws are slightly behind it. All right, that's done. Then you're gonna install this latch on the opposite side, just like that, and you're gonna use the T24 screws to re-secure that. Sorry, T25. Just like that. And your final step is going to be to simply reattach the door hinge using the 1/4-inch screws. And same concept. Find the biggest part of this hole here. Once you get that lined up, pushed in, and then it'll just drop in. So go here, just like that, and it'll line up with the holes there. Attached. Again, that's going to be using the 1/4-inch screws and nut driver. Just like that. And that's how to reverse the door swing on your GE front load dryer. I really hope this video helps. Like and subscribe for more.